This is a public service announcement. Those of you who have been following the Macintosh Portable community for the last decade or so probably remember an ongoing debate about using a Powerbook charger with the Macintosh Portable. I'm going to show you the evidence on why you do not do this. The Macintosh Portable is known to require a good battery in order for it to function. And here is why that is from a technical detail. The battery is used as the reference sense voltage for the 5.2 volt regulation. So without a good battery, you run the risk of losing the 5.2 volt regulation, which also runs the risk of damaging the logic chips on this board. So, here is the evidence on why you do not ever use a Powerbook charger or a charger that is not rated for 7.5 volts at 1.5 amps on a portable. As we see here, we have a lot of bluing on that transistor. This is the input transistor for the power adapter. This is the first clue that this board was run with the incorrect configuration. The battery, of course, is dead. And also, look how blue that 5.2 volt regulator got. That is probably damaged, guaranteed. But even more so, look at the 74 series logic chips. That's a hole. These are all holes blown in these chips. So what I'm saying is, most, if not all, of the 74 series logic chips are dead on this board. Ignore the corrosion here. That's irrelevant. The gate arrays are probably also dead. The swim is probably dead. And I've got 2 or 3 of these parts board in my stash that were subject to the same abuse. So, 7.5 volts, 1.5 amps with a good battery, or a battery eliminator that takes over, that uses supercapacitors as the reference instead, and it works just fine. Do not, I repeat, do not plug the Macintosh Portable in with a Powerbook 2 amp to 3 amp adapter without a good battery, or this is the end result. This board is most likely not repairable.